Welcome to Wednesday Wisdom, where we simplify the fascinating world of astrology and help you understand yourself better through ancient cosmic wisdom. Have you ever looked at your birth chart and wondered what all those numbered sections actually mean? If you've mastered your Sunday sign but still feel your horoscope doesn't fully describe your life, you're about to discover the missing piece of the puzzle, the 12 astrological houses. In today's video, we'll understand what these houses are, why they are so important, and explore the first four houses that shape your personality, finances, communication, and emotional foundation. For a detailed article with illustrations and examples, do visit our blog. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's begin our fascinating journey into the 12 houses of astrology. What are astrological houses? Think of your birth chart as a photograph of the sky at the exact moment you were born. That circular chart is divided into 12 sections known as astrological houses. Each house governs a specific area of your life, your identity, wealth, communication, family, career, relationships, spirituality, and much more. While everyone born under the same zodiac sign shares certain qualities, the arrangement of these 12 houses makes every birth chart unique. They explain why two people born under the same Sunday sign often live completely different lives. Signs, planets, and houses. One of the biggest confusions for beginners is understanding the difference between planets, zodiac signs, and houses. Here's a simple way to remember it. The planets are the actors. The zodiac signs are the costumes they wear. The houses are the stage where the action takes place. For example, Mars represents energy and action. If Mars is in Aries, that energy becomes bold and courageous. If that combination is placed in the 10th house, all that energy gets directed towards career and professional success. Together, these three elements tell your complete life story. The first house, your identity. The first house is where your journey begins. It represents your personality, physical appearance, confidence, and the impression you leave on others. This house begins with your rising sign, also known as the ascendant. While your Sunday sign reveals who you truly are, your rising sign represents how the world first sees you. If strong planets occupy this house, your personality naturally becomes more noticeable, making you confident, expressive, and memorable. The first house answers one simple question: who am I? The second house, money and self worth. The second house governs money, possessions, personal values, and self worth. But it isn't just about how much you earn, it also reveals your relationship with wealth and how secure you feel in life. Some people naturally save, others love spending. Some attract abundance effortlessly, while others build wealth patiently over time. Understanding your second house helps you discover not just your financial habits, but also how much you truly value yourself. The third house, communication. The third house represents communication, learning, siblings, neighbors, and short journeys. It influences how you think, speak, write, and exchange ideas. Some people are excellent storytellers, others communicate through logic and analysis. Your third house explains your natural learning style and how you interact with your immediate surroundings. In today's digital world, it even influences your use of technology, social media, and everyday communication. The fourth house, home and emotional foundation. The fourth house represents your roots. It governs your home, family, childhood experiences, emotional security, and inner peace. This house reveals the environment in which you were raised and the kind of home you truly need as an adult. It also highlights inherited family patterns that influence your emotions and decisions. Understanding this house helps you heal old emotional wounds and build a stronger inner foundation for the future. Why the first four houses matter? The first four houses form the foundation of your entire birth chart. The first house tells you who you are. Second house reveals what you value. The third house explains how you communicate. The fourth house shows where you truly belong. Together, they create the core of your personality before you begin interacting with the wider world. The better you understand these four houses, the easier it becomes to understand every other part of your horoscope. You've just taken your first step towards understanding one of the most powerful concepts in astrology, the 12 astrological houses. In our next episode, we'll explore the middle four houses that govern creativity, health, relationships, and transformation, taking your understanding of the birth chart even deeper. If you're passionate about astrology, remember that our channel is just one part of a much bigger journey. Our blog offers detailed articles, illustrations, and practical insights to help you learn at your own pace. You'll find the link in the description below. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Variety is the Spice of Life. Your support encourages us to continue bringing you meaningful content on astrology, fitness, food, music, and inspiring stories. Until next Wednesday, keep exploring the universe because the better you understand the stars, the better you understand yourself.